Tonight, we are summoning the spirits! The spirits of bourbon, that is, in what is going to be a delicious caramel apple mule. So, cheers, and let's cook. For the base of our mule, we're going to go into a glass with 1.5 ounces of bourbon, 3 ounces of apple cider, just a splash, 2 of bitters, and then 1 teaspoon of caramel. Just give that a stir. Our bourbon base is all mixed up, so I'm just going to set that to the side. Now I'll take my mule glass. I'm going to fill that with ice. Then we will take our mixture, pour that over the ice. Then our ginger beer, we will just pour it in to fill it the rest of the way. Give that another little stir. Now, I am just going to garnish that with a couple slices of apple and a stick of cinnamon. You're ready to go. Now that is a wicked drink. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.